there, it's Megan with WTI, and I think I have recently entered my bird watching era, and I have to say, I ain't one bit mad about it, especially thanks to this iBorn luxury bird feeder. I thought I was going to have to wait a while before birds would start coming to this feeder, but within one day, I saw a couple birds coming. The feeder itself is adorable. I love the decorative look of it, and I really like the brushed copper color. It's weather resistant, which is very good news for where I live. Plus, it's sturdy and durable. I even dropped it when I was trying to fill it up, and it did not get a single crack in it. It's really simple to refill. The top lifts off really easily, and I can fill it to the brim with more birdseed. My life has felt so enriched, and I am totally in love with the fact that I can watch birds right in my window view with this bird feeder. It attracts several different types of birds of all different colors. I still don't know the names of them yet, but I am getting better at that. Either way, I am always excited to see a new bird make an appearance. Even though we have had really rainy and windy weather, this bird feeder is holding up perfectly, and it has stayed put. We have been having so much cloudy, foggy, dreary weather, but the birds keep coming to our bird feeder in the window, and it really brightens up my day no matter what the weather is like. I am completely embracing my new bird lady status thanks to this iBorn bird feeder. But that's just my point of view.